What is Angular? Basically, Angular is a JavaScript framework to build a client-side application. It is great for a single-page applications. It refreshes automatically, without reloading a web page. Angular promotes a modular approach, means that the application builds having a clear structure. Making use of components, we have a lot of reusable code. Angular having a lot of inbuilt capabilities such as routing, validation, etc., which makes the development easier and quicker. Angular is a product of Google and uses the TypeScript language as Microsoft.